Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Hopefully this will be a quick video. I'm going to show you guys a new addition that I'm adding here to my studio. I needed a way to be able to mount cameras from a top-down view as well as additional lighting. So I found this product and I thought I would give it a try. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what comes in the box. And maybe this will be something that you guys can benefit from as well. So let's open this up and I'll show you exactly what comes in the box. All right, guys, so here are pretty much everything that comes in the box. You get a little starter manual here that kind of walks you through all of the different components. Most of them are very self-explanatory. You're going to get two of these ball head mounts. You get a phone mount as well. So let me show you guys that first. So here's the phone mount that comes with it. You receive two of these ball head mounts, as you guys can see. Really nice. It's a little stiff, but I think it'll get the job done. All right. And one of them comes already attached to one of the arms. So this arm here, as you see, has a little connector right here. This is how you connect it to the upright arm. And this just screws off like this. And then you'll be able to fit this through the other arm. I'll show you guys that here in a second. All right, so here's the main arm. This is the portion that's going to attach to your desk. It's got a nice little rubberized kind of foot here that's going to lock down on the desk. You guys see this is very large, so it's going to give you a lot of room depending on how thick your desk is. This is all metal. It feels really nice in the hands and completely adjustable. So let me go ahead and set this up and I'll show you guys what it looks like once I have it all set up. All right, guys, now that I have it all attached, I want to show you guys exactly what it looks like. This is the complete system set up. You have a bolt right back here in the back that you can release. And that's going to allow you to freely move this to either side, which is really nice. The section here in the front, once that bolt is locked down, you can loosen this up and you can extend this out or back, depending on how you want to use it. And as far as this section right here, you can do basically the same thing. You can loosen this tensioner right here, and you can raise this up to a little higher height or wherever you want to set it. But remember, you can also move this upper section at will. So you can tighten this down and then you can raise and lower this section right here by just adjusting this bolt and raising it up or down depending on how you need it to sit. Now for me, I just wanted this to be able to rotate easily over my desk and be able to secure a camera. Maybe a light, maybe a downward facing light since I'm doing a top-down view, but you guys kind of get the idea. This is really easy to set up. It's just going to clip right here on your desk. Everything you need came in that box, including a phone mount. So if you're going to be using a phone, you are already set. Everything you need. This will support a relatively large phone up to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So anyway, if this is something that you guys have been looking for, definitely take a look at this desktop stand. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.